what is the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration? First difference is aerobic respiration occur in the presence of oxygen, whereas anaerobic respiration occur in the absence of oxygen. Okay, so aerobic respiration, which uses oxygen. Anaerobic respiration, the respiration which take place without oxygen, is called anaerobic respiration. Okay, aerobic respiration occur in all plant and animals, and anaerobic respiration occurs only in yeast and some bacteria. In aerobic respiration, glucose is completely broken down into carbon dioxide and water by the oxidation, and considerable amount of energy is obtained for use by the organism, which get stored in the ATP molecules. Okay, and the process of aerobic respiration occur in mitochondria. Here you can see aerobic respiration take place in two parts. First phase is glycolysis and the second phase is Krebs cycle. First phase is glycolysis and the second phase is Krebs cycle. In glycolysis, glucose break down into pyruvate, and this glycolysis process occur in the cytoplasm of the cell. And then next step in Krebs cycle, in the presence of oxygen, pyruvate break down into carbon dioxide, water, and produce ATP molecule energy. And this Krebs cycle occur in the process in mitochondria of the cell. Okay, so glycolysis occur. Aerobic respiration occur in two steps. First phase is glycolysis, second step is Krebs cycle. So pyruvate is the middle product. Okay, firstly glucose convert into pyruvate. Okay, and this process is called glycolysis, and this process occur in cytoplasm. Then in next step, pyruvate convert into carbon dioxide and water and produce considerable amount of energy, and this process is called Krebs cycle, and Krebs cycle occur in mitochondria. It take place in the presence of oxygen. Whereas you can see here the equation of anaerobic respiration. Here glucose is first glycolysis process occur just like aerobic respiration. By the process of glycolysis, glucose convert into pyruvate. But here you can see aerobic respiration, this Krebs cycle occur in the second step. Pyruvate in the presence of oxygen convert into carbon dioxide and water. But here you can see pyruvate is a reactant, and in the absence of oxygen it get convert into ethyl alcohol. In place of carbon dioxide, pyruvate convert into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide, and little amount of energy is produced. And this process is also called fermentation. Okay, we know that fermentation is a process of conversion of glucose into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Okay, and this process is also called anaerobic respiration, which occur in only microscopic organism, that is yeast and some bacteria. Aerobic respiration produce considerable amount of energy which get stored in the ATP molecules, and anaerobic respiration little amount of energy is produced which get stored in ATP molecules. Okay.